Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can pin important messages in Google Chat app. So you can, if this is your first time using Google Chat, you can try to bookmark or pin your important messages from someone by tap on Google Chat first, and you can hold the profile or the account that you want to pin. And here we go. This is pin option. You can tap it. Now conversation is pinned. Again, and now its conversation is pinned again. You can unpin with the same way. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.